Umbrella species are those species whose protection may indirectly protect the many other species that make up the ecological community of its habitat. Definition: it can be defined as a species with large area requirements, for which protection of the species offers protection to other species that share the same habitat. That is, a wide-ranging species whose requirements include those of many other species. Umbrella effect. An umbrella effect is the protection extended by the presence of an umbrella species to other species in the same habitat. A typical example around us is the protection of rattlesnakes, which would ensure protection of other wildlife species that use the same habitats, but are less sensitive to development or require fewer resources. Now we'll look into some more examples. The northern spotted owl is intolerant of habitat disturbance. Each nesting pair needs a large amount of land for hunting and nesting, and will not migrate unless they experience drastic seasonal changes. Mollusks and salamanders are within the protective boundaries of the northern spotted owl. The bay checkerspot lays eggs only on certain host plants, the most important of which is the annual, dwarf plantain, Plantago erecta. The owl's clover, Orthocarpus densiflorus, is a secondary host. Amur tigers in the Russian Far East are considered umbrella species due to their impact on the deer and boar in their ecosystem. The right whales are indicators of ocean health because they are a long-living species that travels throughout the ocean. Now, it's time for review questions.